Ever wondered how luscious strawberry jam on your breakfast table is made? Come discover the journey from fresh strawberries to the delectable spread. The trip starts with picking strawberries at their best ripeness, guaranteeing ideal taste and natural sweetness. Strawberries intended for jam production are methodically farmed in places such as California, Poland, and Spain, where the ideal growing conditions are known. These places give the optimal combination of sunlight, soil, and temperature, allowing for the fruit to develop its distinct brilliance and flavor. Farmers carefully monitor their harvests and pluck the berries at optimal ripeness to balance acidity with natural sugar content. This ensures that the jam has the desired flavor profile. Strawberries are immediately sorted on the farm to differentiate the best from those that are less appropriate for use. This first sifting removes any damaged or overripe strawberries, which compromises the jam's taste and texture. Often, hours after being selected, the chosen fruit is packed in shallow containers to avoid crushing and transported to processing facilities by chilled trucks. Larger enterprises use automated sorting lines equipped with cameras and sensors to check the color, size, and freshness of each strawberry, ensuring only the best strawberries for jam production. Beyond quality difficulties, environmental policies are increasingly influencing the harvesting process. Drip irrigation is utilized on many strawberry farms to reduce environmental impact and conserve water. Organic agricultural practices, which avoid synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, are also growing more popular, producing not only delicious but also environmentally friendly strawberries. These projects demonstrate an increased demand for premium and ethically produced ingredients in jam manufacturing. Selected strawberries are thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt, pesticides, and contaminants, preparing them for the next stages in the jam-making process. When strawberries arrive at the factory, they are immediately offloaded into large bins and routed to the cleaning area. The cleaning process begins with a pre-wash designed to remove any visible dirt and garbage. The berries are next transferred to advanced washing machines equipped with powerful but gentle water jets that provide thorough cleaning of all crevices. Some manufacturers utilize supplementary sanitizing processes, such as food-safe chlorine rinses or ozone-infused water to remove potential bacteria or pesticides without damaging the fruit's natural taste. Following cleaning, the strawberries are sent to a destemming factory, where specialized machinery removes unwanted leaves and green tops. Manual inspections are also performed on premium quality jams to ensure that no stems or leaves remain. Depending on the type of jam being created, the strawberries are either left whole, chopped into smaller pieces, or crushed to provide a smooth basis. From chunky preserves to silky spreads, innovative cutting machines allow producers to customize the texture of diverse items. This meticulous preparation ensures that only the freshest, cleanest, and properly cut fruit progresses through the manufacturing line. Many manufacturers use cutting-edge ultrasonic cleaning technologies to preserve the strawberries' fresh and vibrant color during processing. These gadgets gently remove dirt and bacteria from the surface of the fruit by creating small, high-frequency vibrations in water, keeping its exquisite texture. This method makes it simple to find concealed cracks in strawberries. To demonstrate the industry's commitment to sustainability, all runoff water from the cleaning process is filtered and cleaned before being either properly returned to the environment or reused. After cleaning, individuals or automated cameras visually inspect strawberries to ensure that only the best fruit progress to processing. The prepared strawberries are then cooked with sugar and pectin to create the jam's characteristic texture and sweetness. The cooking process begins with placing the ready strawberries in large stainless steel industrial kettles to ensure even heating and prevent contamination. Sugar is used precisely to balance the natural tartness of the fruit and boost its flavor depending on the recipe. Pectin, a natural thickening agent derived from fruits such as apples or citrus, is added to the jam to help it set into a spreadable consistency. Some recipes call for a small amount of citric acid or lemon juice to modify the pH level, increasing both the taste and the efficacy of the pectin. The mixture is heated to approximately 220 degrees Fahrenheit, 104 degrees Celsius, which is necessary for activating the pectin and ensuring proper gel formation. Automated stirring devices integrated into the kettles keep the mixture in constant motion, reducing scorching and ensuring even cooking. Modern steam injection systems are another technique that industries use to ensure precise temperature control. During the simmering process, the strawberries get a more natural color, and their flavor concentrates into the rich, sweet taste that distinguishes the jam. Before moving on to the next stage, specialists routinely take samples to check sugar levels, consistency, and pH to ensure the mixture meets the appropriate standards. Most manufacturers reduce cooking time by adopting vacuum cooking technologies to preserve the strawberries' natural taste and color, while also reducing the air pressure in the kettle, which will allow the combination to reach the desired consistency at a lower temperature, reducing overcooking and conserving more of the fruit's natural nutrients. This method also helps to improve the jam's flavor by concentrating the fruit's natural sugars without using too much sweets. Whole strawberry chunks can be added near the end of this cooking process for artisanal-style jams to achieve a smoothness and texture that appeals to luxury markets. The cooked jam is filtered and tested for consistency and safety to guarantee a smooth and premium product. Once the jam mixture has been heated, it is filtered through a fine mesh. These filters remove any remaining fruit seeds, stems, or other pollutants that may affect the appearance or texture of the completed product. Multiple filterings can be used to achieve the ultra-smooth consistency in luxury jams or specific recipes. The jam is de-aerated after filtration. Vacuum de-aerators ensure a constant texture in each jar by eliminating trapped air bubbles from the mixture, which prevents discoloration. This phase is characterized by rigorous quality control checks. Using precision instruments, lab workers measure pH and sugar levels to ensure that the jam meets strict taste and preservation specifications. Viscosity tests are also performed to ensure that the jam has the correct thickness and spreadability. Random samples are tested for microbial safety, ensuring that the product is free of harmful germs and toxins. This comprehensive testing guarantees that each batch of jam meets both the manufacturer's commitment to excellence and industry requirements. Some manufacturers employ centrifuges, which spin the jam mixture at high speeds to separate any remaining solid particles from the liquid components, resulting in a smooth and consistent product. This approach takes jams with a silky texture to the next level of excellence. At this phase, powerful optical sensors are used to detect and eradicate any discolorization or abnormalities in the jam. Before proceeding to the filling stage, these technologies, together with hand inspections, ensure that each batch meets the highest visual and textural standards. Once the jam passes quality tests, it is quickly filled into sterilized jars to lock in freshness and flavor. The hot jam is transported from storage tanks to automated filling equipment that precisely distributes amounts into sterile glass jars. The jars are pre-cleaned and heated to a specific temperature, which helps to prevent cracking when loaded with hot liquid. Applying the lid creates a vacuum seal at this temperature, which is critical for preserving the jam and extending its shelf life. Once filled, the jars are transported to sealing stations, where automatically tightened airtight lids are installed. Some manufacturers include additional tamper-evident seals to increase security. Following that, the sealed jars are quickly refrigerated with water or air jets to ensure the proper vacuum sealing setting. Sensors and cameras monitor each jar for consistency during the filling and sealing process, detecting underfilled jars, loose lids, and glass faults. Defective jars are removed from the line and rebuilt, ensuring that only faultless items reach consumers. To improve efficiency and precision, several manufacturers utilize servo-driven filling machines that adjust the filling speed and volume based on the size of the jar. This process ensures consistent quantities, hence reducing production waste. After filling the jars, some manufacturers apply a thin layer of paraffin wax or another sealer on top of the jam before sealing the lids. This added barrier, especially for things with a lengthy shelf life, helps to keep the jam fresh and prevents contamination. To ensure both safety and quality, companies conduct hot fill hold tests, which fill the jars and are briefly held at high temperatures to ensure proper vacuum generation and the destruction of any remaining bacteria. The last step involves labeling and packaging the jars, preparing them for distribution to stores and homes worldwide. After being filled and sealed, the jars are transported to labeling stations. High-speed machines apply vibrant brand labels to each jar, ensuring that they match exactly and display relevant information such as the product name, taste, ingredients, and expiration date. Certain products may incorporate additional features such as QR codes or advertising stickers. Following labeling, the jars are sent to quality inspection stations, where staff and automated equipment look for proper label alignment, seal integrity, and any evident faults. After that, the marketed jars are stacked and placed in cartons or crates designed to protect them throughout transit. Until delivery, these sealed cartons are stacked on pallets and stored in temperature-controlled facilities. To comply with regional rules, extra labeling and packaging requirements, such as language-specific labels or specialty shipping containers, are included for export. Traceability methods are integrated throughout the process, allowing each jar to be tracked from the maker to the client. Some producers include cutting-edge robotic equipment into the labeling process to precisely and swiftly handle jars, reducing human error while increasing efficiency. These robots are typically used for premium or seasonal jam goods, and they may add custom labels, such as embossed or foil-stamped images. Aside from labels, creative packaging innovations such as QR codes are becoming increasingly popular. These tags promote transparency and brand confidence by allowing consumers to follow the journey of a product from farm to manufacturer. In response to rising customer demand for sustainable practices, firms are focusing on environmentally friendly packaging materials, such as biodegradable box liners and recycled glass jars. Once packed, the strawberry jam travels to homes and businesses all around to guarantee its sweetness reaches consumers far and wide. The jam containers are packaged and shipped on pallets, which are shrink-wrapped for stability and protection during transportation. Trucks load these pallets and transport them to regional distribution hubs. These hubs arrange and prepare products for delivery to supermarkets, specialty stores, and online order fulfillment centers. For overseas exports, the jam is put within climate-controlled shipping containers to ensure that it remains fresh and unbroken over long distances. Effective logistics are crucial for maintaining the jam's quality during transportation. Modern monitoring technology enables firms to track items in real time, ensuring quick delivery while lowering environmental effects. Many producers optimize their distribution systems by combining shipments and utilizing ecologically friendly transportation methods, hence reducing carbon footprints. From small-town grocery stores to bustling metropolis markets, the perfect distribution strategy ensures that jars of strawberry jam are readily available to consumers to enjoy. Many manufacturers use temperature-regulated logistics systems to maintain the highest possible product quality throughout transit, ensuring that the jam remains fresh even over long distances. These systems track and modify temperatures in real time, making them ideal for international shipments that require extended storage or transit timeframes. Distribution hubs commonly use predictive analytics to optimize delivery routes and reduce carbon footprints. This ensures that retailers receive orders quickly while also supporting environmental goals. Modern inventory systems enable retailers to monitor shipments, ensuring that their shelves are always stocked with fresh strawberry jam, ready for consumer consumption. Every stage in the process of making strawberry jam reflects care, accuracy, and a commitment to quality, from hand-picked strawberries to perfectly sealed jars. Remember the journey from sunlit fields to your breakfast table the next time you sloppily spread strawberry jam on your toast. This is a story of imagination and craftsmanship that combines human ingenuity with the beauty of the natural world to create a timeless joy. We appreciate you coming to see how strawberry jam is made. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the bell for even more intriguing analysis of your favorite meals. Savor the sweetness until next time.